Welcome to Grandeur of the Seas interior stateroom tour of 7573. Stateroom 7573 is located on Deck 7 midship right off the centrum on board Grandeur of the Seas. Once stepping inside this lovely interior stateroom on Deck 7, to my immediate left is going to be the bed setup that we have requested for the ceiling, which is 2 twin beds with the nightstands in the middle, or you can have it requested as a king-size bed as well. As I continue further into this wonderful stateroom, right in front of me is going to be your vanity and desk area with storage on either side of the mirror, as well as on top of the TV, as well as on either side of the desk. Also, right in front of me on my immediate right, you have a wonderful sized mirror from floor to ceiling. As I continue in a little bit further, we have one other chair in the stateroom as well, which is located right here in between the closet and the stateroom bathroom. To my immediate left, we have a wonderfully sized closet from floor to ceiling with the life vests on top. And last but not least, to my immediate right is going to be our stateroom bathroom as well. Once inside the stateroom bathroom, to my immediate left is going to be your shower stall with a lovely shower curtain, and to my immediate right is going to be your vanity area with a nice overhead light and also some storage as well right next to the sink. And here's what the inside of the shower looks like as well. And here is another close-up of the storage right next to the sink and vanity area in our stateroom bathroom. Stepping out of the stateroom bathroom, here's another look of our stateroom from our bed configuration, as well as our vanity area as well and desk. Thank you so much for joining me today on my stateroom tour of room 7573 on our short 5-night sailing on board Grandeur of the Seas. Hope to see you around the ship real soon.